in a surprise defeat. And Montego United, of course, who are still currently league leaders, found yet another victory with Jordan Fletcher, of course, the current leader for the Golden Boot, scoring another goal against Chapelton Maroon. Oh, and it seems Cavalier had a chance there to make it 1-0. Looking to their talisman, of course, Nicalia Fuller, for some moment of quality, as well as Anthony Nelson, who has, in his absence at times, deputized well in that department. There's Fuller from distance. It's always rising. Will be corner kick to Tivoli Gardens to be taken by number 10. Who else? Nicalia Fuller. I'll be hoping for a good delivery here. Fuller. Lovely corner kick. Headed on. But number 3, Kevon Wilson, his header. 17 there. That being, of course, Romarian Thomas. Unable to find him, however. Yes. Oh, McClearly. Oh, good turn from Massicot, but the shot blocked. Here's Adrian Reed. On Adrian Reed, my bad. Appears to be Lewis. And here's Ainsworth. Ooh, opting to go for a teammate over the far side, but the referee blows for a free kick. Take this through to get them up the pitch. It's James. Watson. Back to Ainsworth. Looking. Unable to find his teammate. Simpson. Now here's Reed. Strike from distance. Sailing over the bar. Dangerous tackle on Massicot there, but referee says play on. It's McClearly. Gets it out wide to number 13, Dwayne Allen. Lays it off for Reed. Back to Allen. Oh, in the path of Chad James has a chance! And that is saved quite comfortably, rather. Fuller. Ball into the box. Man at the far post. Headed away by Chad James. A shot again. And a tame effort at goal. Easily clean. Does really well there in defending there, the number 10. And he opts to get his team up the pitch. Lovely pass out wide. Shot! Oh, unfortunately hits his own teammate Anthony Nelson. Shot from Michael Graham. Looked to be going on targets past him. Can rip in the cross. Oh, and great work by Wayne Lynch. It did take a touch off Cohen Thompson that perhaps made it a bit more difficult than it needed to be. But Lynch doing well to get down and equal to it and force a corner kick. Good turn there by number 27. Garnett to Simpson. Oh, no look past there. Oh, in the path of Fuller. Can get that across the box. And Cavalier do well to get that one clear. Tivoli Gardens not lying down here in this 8th versus 5th matchup. Trying to stamp their class on this game. Good corner kick. Almost went all the way in. So Wayne Lynch had to. Fuller to take this out swinging corner. Brilliant delivery. No one there to meet it. Janoy Williams on the volley. Technique out quite comfortably. And he tries to get the ball up the pitch quickly. Handball there. But Nicalia Fuller takes advantage. Moves up the pitch. Has Nelson in support. Will he go alone? Cross comes in but blocked from Cohen Thompson. And that goes behind for a clash between Tivoli Gardens and Cavalier. Both teams, of course, fighting hard for a playoff spot. And here's McClearly. Drifting inside. Not sure if there was a shot or he's trying to make a pass there, but nonetheless, he's a number of them this game. Delivery not as accurate this time, but headed back on by Williams. Falls and scored. It seemed to be going in, but what a save! Headed on there and almost tracked down, but Alton Lewis gets the better of it. And clearly passes it the path of his teammate. Chad James tracks that one down, the speedster. Oh, and a shot! Saved by Nathaniel Francis. Tipped over the bar. We've had a number of great deliveries from both teams so far in this game, but can anyone meet it? Chad James, I think, meet that one. Had a chance to swing at it, and not the cleanest of contact from number 17, Omar Thomas, and that goes all the way through to Francis. Target Ainsworth again with the corner. Tried to hit it on near post there by Chad James. As Nilsson flicks it on for Nikela Fuller. Tries to catch the keeper out of his goal. Almost a goal of the season contender. And now Simpson can come forward. A space finds Fuller. Oh, does well to beat McClearly and beats him again. Shot from distance and saved by Wayne Lynch in goal. Season. You would not be surprised. You would not put it past him, even from this distance, to launch one into the back of the net. Can he do it here? Shot from distance and goes wide, but from McClearly. Thomas back to McClearly. Cross to the edge of the box, but
that's a substitution, 77 minutes.
Aim towards Wilberforce. Gonna set it away. Cross comes back in. And that's booted clear by. Oh, it seems. Oh, and it's actually gone in! It seemed as though it was dealt with by. And thanks to a mistake, really, from the goalkeeper, Nathaniel Francis, it's a deserved lead, I could say, for Cavalier. But Nikela Fuller has a chance to make it right. Oh, what goal! Nikela Fuller comes in and easy for Wayne Lynch in goal to claim that one. Now it's Adrian Reid.
In the 82nd minute, so Cavalier goal.
Now here's Ainsworth. Oh, brilliant ball to Wilberforce. But that shot off.
Minute 89. Player number 11. Anthony Nelson replaced by player number 25.
Ball across the box, headed, saved by Nathaniel Francis. Gets to that ahead of Fuller. Adrian Reid. Clearly loses out. Oh, lovely ball out now to Dunn. Dunn has room, he has time, he has space. Launches it towards Nikela Fuller. And before he could take it in his stride, cross comes in. 2-1 in the dying moments of the game, which means the only person in Cavaliers' half is their goalkeeper, Wayne Lynch. Last action of the game, free kick goes in. Nathaniel Francis claims, and he's greeted by the applause of the fans because that signals the end of the